guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and obviously I'm holding here Voltron, the Lion Force from Good Smile Company Moderoid model kits. And this is the Voltron Lion Force from the US, but in Japan this is the Beast King GoLion. And our American friends like to adapt animes before from our Japanese friends, like Zoo Ranger, who in Japan and in America they adopt it as the Power Ranger, the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger, and the Macross from Japan they adopt it to the Robotech, just like that. Also, this GoLion, they adopted it into their Voltron series, the Lion Force. So I'm very excited to build this kit because it's one of my favorite mecha anime series before, aside from the Voltes 5, the Combator V, the Tosho Daimos, and other mecha anime or the Super Robot anime. So I'm very glad that I bought this Voltron. To be honest, I pre-ordered it to Wakaru Senpai in the year 2023. So it's been a year since I pre-ordered it. Now it's in my grasp, and let's check this kit out. Let's see what's inside Pangvirkan Loose Kits. Voltron Lion Force in the US, but in Japan this is the Beast King GoLion, like that. And I think this was from 1983 to 1984. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I really like the box art of this model kit because of the colorful depiction of Voltron here in the picture. We can see the 5 lions together here, the blue, the red, the black lion, the green, and the yellow. And there we can see the Beast King GoLion combined, or the Lion Force Voltron. So he's defending the Earth, this planet here. So he's the defender of the universe. Okay. So it's from the Good Smile Company, and this is just released last year. And the box, the back of the box, we can see the front view, the very nice front view, very sexy appearance of the Lion Voltron. And this is the rear view. And these are the lions. If they're not combined, they can be 5 separate entities there. Then we can see Voltron wielding the blazing sword, the solar combat spear, and the spinning laser blade. So it's like the shield for it. So as you can see, it has a very nice complete transformation, or complete combination rather. Okay, so if we open the box here, you can see the side of the box is right. This should be a poster. It's very nice. I really like the side of the box. Again, the other side we can see the face of Voltron. This box is really amazing. I really like the box design of this. And you can see here Voltron here, the bottom part, and the top part you can see the same picture from the box art. Very amazing. Okay, so if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual. So we got 3 parts separated parts. So this is the manual, this first manual here, where we can see the picture same in the box art. We can see the lion assembly, the separate lion assemblies. So there you can see the black lion being assembled first, followed with the red lion, and the green, the blue, and finally the yellow lion. So this is the manual for the individual lion assemble. And there we can see the interchangeable toe parts. So we have the lion heads there. You can replace the heads of the lions, and there we can see the weapons being assembled. So we got the spear, the sword, and this spinning shield here. Okay, so in this part we can see the application of the stickers for the individual lions, and there we can see the parts list. Okay, so this yellow shades there indicates that these are the pre-painted part. And there we can see the lions separated, or the individual lions having weapons or blades from their mouth. So they have different mouth weapons. Okay, and in this sheet we have the transformation instruction. So there we can see how to transform or combine each of them to form the single Voltron or Beast King GoLion. So there are the parts here. We got the yellow parts for yellow lion. We got gray parts here for the extremities, for the limbs. We got the red parts here with the black parts included. And we got gray parts for the weapons, the sword. So it has a big sword. See, as you can see, it has a big sword. It has a big lance there, or spear, and a big shield. Okay. So we got blue and yellow parts here. We got green parts and white parts, and I just observed that the plastic here is not the typical Moderoid thick rough plastic or thick sticky plastic. This is like the Bandai or Photobukia style of plastic wrapper now. So there's some improvement in Moderoid. Then we got this gray parts here, small parts. Other gray small parts for the extremities. Gray parts and blue parts for the lion. I think this is for the lion's the feet. And we got yellow and red parts here. Oh, very nice. And finally, we got this white parts. It's a very elegant white and black here. And we got pre-painted part there for the belt. This is the star, the star logo there. And we got white and black parts, and another white and black parts there. And then we got these stickers. So these are very nice stickers. It's not that huge sticker, so it's small. These are small, just to indicate the number. So there we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And to be honest, I remember the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers from Furai model as I opened the box, due to the fact that the colors looks like the Power Rangers Megazord. Anyway, let's start with this yellow parts here. This is Runner J, and it's ABS plastic. This is for the yellow lion. Then let's start first with the yellow ones. So we got this yellow Runner S and Runner I for yellow parts. Then we go to the blue parts. We got Runner S ABS and Runner Q for these yellow parts again. Okay. So we got 2 sets of Runner S, but these are different. So we got blue and we got yellow. Okay. So we got red here, red parts, Runner H for the red lion. We got Runner G, another red part. Then Runner R for green parts. Then for the white parts, we got Runner A, and yep, I really like the label here. So it's an ABS Good Smile Company, made in China, and there you can see Moderoid and World Events Production LLC under license to Classic Media LLC. So there we got white parts. Under white parts, Runner B, and we got 2 Runner C here, white parts. And finally we got Runner F, black parts, 2 sets of Runner F. Then we got big black parts here for the black lion, Runner D. And finally we got Runner E for the black parts. Then majority are gray parts. We got ABS. This is shiny gray parts here, shiny gray runners for the limbs, lion limbs. So we got Runner K, Runner L. Then we got 2 sets of Runner N. Then we got 2 sets of Runner M also. And we got Runner P, this for the shield, and for the lion blades, for their mouth blades. Okay, so we have different kind of mouth blades here. Then we got this Runner O for the blade of the sword, the blazing sword, the spear, and for another mouth blades here and other parts. Okay, and we got this nice stickers, small stickers for color correcting parts. And there we have the numberings 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and now I'm excited to build this Voltron because it's my pre-order from last year. So it's about a year that I ordered it to Wakaru Senpai shop here in the Philippines, my trusted shop here in the Philippines. And thank you very much for Wakaru Senpai for selling me this, even though there's a slight delay on the order, but still it arrived safely in my house. So goodbye, God bless and take care. Let's build this Voltron Lion Force.